no more.
I'm at the pool, and at my pool right now, we're allowed to bring dogs to go and do some swimming. Oh, come on, real fast. Get back here.
I got a black. My favorite doggy was that dog over there that does a lot of work getting the balls. I like that one.
You like to go?
Oh, he got it! Dogs are going for it. All right, let's see. That dog's gonna try to get it. Hi. I am famous, right?
What's the #1 thing to do when you first see my channel? It starts with a